this video, we will show you how to set a program to high priority on Windows 10. High priority on Windows 10 usually based on our graphic card's memory. So, we can right-click and choose Display Settings, and then click Graphic Settings in here, and you can browse application that you want to using high performance. For example, I want VirtualBox by Oracle to using high performance. So I open the .x of VirtualBox and click Add here, and option select high performance to using NVIDIA GeForce and click Save. Then the second method, you can choose your NVIDIA control panel on your desktop. Then you can using program settings. This is you can settings anything you want in here. If VirtualBox not listed in here, you can just click Add, find in here. If nothing, you can browse, locate on your Oracle folder in here, choose VirtualBox and add VirtualBox.x. You can setting this application and set to hide all setting or another improvement in here, and you can click apply. That's all.